It is a beautiful day in Cakeland. It is nice out there. I mean, this Saturday morning, turtle doves making their noise, robins here, woodpeckers, you can see them up there, going to work on that. 2 woodpeckers right there. Spring has sprung. But here I am. This is the original. And I haven't run the numbers to see if it's 283 or 327. I'm assuming it's a 327. This is the original motor out of the 67 Camaro. Of course, it's got double help heads, but I need to find out if it's got big valves. 2-barrel. We're going to put a 4-barrel on it. But today is teardown day. Take this in and get it punched one size over on the cylinders and check the crank, polish the crank. That's probably all I need. Replace this canister oil filter with something new. And it's got an automatic. This is going back with a with Power Glide, 327 Power Glide. And geez, when I took the Power Glide in, it's already there. $2,000 for a refresh. And his biggest issue was finding parts for it. Well, I've got one in the barn, so we got core parts. So it will happen. But today this thing's coming apart.